Hello, I'm Sheetal Kilikeri from Group 15 and our topic is Impact of Smartphone among Teenagers in Metropolitan Cities. Smartphone, as name itself indicates something special, facilitates easy, quick and affordable world of information resources. It can perform many tasks that a computer can do. One can talk, send messages, take photos, watch and share videos, businesses, entertainment, etc. In the modern era, the development of smartphone is remarkable, especially among teenagers. Teenager or teen is someone who is between 13 and 19 years old, where they enter in high school and college life to achieve their goals. During this age, they typically begin exploring and creating. But due to the development of technologies, most of the people, especially college students, are depending on smartphone for various purposes like education, for communication, and so on. People who have psychological and emotional issues such as depression, loneliness, social anxiety, and distraction easily get addicted to technology such as smartphone. The main reason for this kind of addiction is the hectic lifestyle of people who are in metropolitan cities. Nowadays, online friends have become more important than life relationships due to the excessive use of social networking, dating apps, and texting. Smartphone offers several conveniences in our life, but we should also be aware of negative effects of smartphone usage. Problem statements. What are the impact of smartphone among teenagers? How smartphone are affecting personality changes among teenagers? How does smartphone affect teenagers' academic performance? Why mostly teens in metropolitan cities are addicted to smartphone? The general objective in our study is to determine the impact of smartphone among teenagers in metropolitan cities, and the specific object is to determine the addiction of smartphone in teenagers in metropolitan cities, to find out the circumstances behind the smartphone addiction, to determine the role of smartphone in their academic performance, to correlate the impact of smartphone among school students and college students. Hypothesis. There is an impact of daily life disturbances exposed by smartphone addiction on teenagers in metropolitan cities. There is an impact of impatient and inappropriate behavior exposed by smartphone. Use of cellular phones is correlated with the defects in personality development among teenagers. The use of cellular phone among teenagers, especially among college teens, is associated with the minimum level of academic performance.
Significance of study. This research aims to look at the impact of smartphone among teenagers in metropolitan cities. To gather information from teenagers in metropolitan cities among the circumstances behind their addiction towards smartphone. This research study will be able to identify how teenagers get addicted to smartphone and how it affects their behavior, their social life and their mental health. Possible beneficiaries of this research are: this addiction is more prevalent among college teens than school teens. This addiction to smartphone affects the daily social life of the teenagers in metropolitan cities and also affects their personality, their academic performance and their mental health. Background of the study. Smartphone addiction is closely related to internet addiction, which is considered an impulsive control addiction. This addiction is more prevalent among the teenagers who are from metropolitan cities. Smartphones is an advanced technology device which is designed to solve daily accessibility problems in humans. That is why in modern lifestyle, people can't live without it and they have become the necessity in life. Nowadays, teenagers utilize many different forms of social media such as Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat and Twitter, which allow them to connect with their peers. Compulsive web surfing, watching videos, playing games or checking news feeds can lead to lower productivity at work or school and isolate you for hours at a time. Overuse of the internet and smartphone apps can cause you to neglect other aspects of your life, from real-world relationships to hobbies and social pursuits. The people who are from metropolitan cities are facing a hectic schedule. They won't have any time to care about the children. This one is the main reason why the teens are getting addicted to smartphones nowadays. They get more pleasure while using mobile phone than they spend time with their friends and parents. Although smartphones offer teenagers with several conveniences in their life, provide various learning resources, but it also affects students negatively by distracting their learning process, lower their academic performance and developing psychological problems.
Methodology. Research design. This is a qualitative research in which researcher seeks to collect the data. Subject. Teenagers of metropolitan cities are allowed to participate in the study. The data collection, a survey comprising of open-ended questions regarding impact of smartphone among teenagers in metropolitan cities, will be circulated online through social media websites, and operational definition, addiction, personality, circumstance, and academic performance are the important operational definitions which we used in the research. Data processing and analysis. The research was conducted among teenagers 13 to 19 of metropolitan cities through online survey expecting 200 participants, as this is a qualitative research. Natural environments are favored by discovering how participants construct their own meaning of events or situations. Our research uses non-statistical methods. Dummy table. This is a dummy table which we used in the research evaluation. Hypothetical interpretation of results. Smartphone addiction will pay more pleasure among teenagers. Among teens, age is the most important variable in mobile phone ownership. Older teens are much more likely to own phone than the younger teens, and the largest increase occurs at the age of 17, right at the transition between the high school and college. Generally, it has noted that due to the overuse of smartphone, the teens are unable to concentrate on their studies and they always want to share their feelings while online friends rather than the family members or people around them. Most of the teens from metropolitan cities are getting addicted to social media due to their hectic lifestyle. On a conclusion note, we can say that the world has changed rapidly, and so their interest towards smartphone, and it has been a difficult task for them to get over with this addiction.
Outcome of the research survey. We have total 200 participants from our research survey based on 4 questionnaires. We formulated 15 questions for participants allowed to do this survey are between age of 13 to 19. And the conclusion is purpose of this research was to demonstrate the several impact of smartphone among teenagers. Based on the data we obtained, we came to know that smartphones have made severe impact on personality development and education and other lifestyle habitude. Most of the participants are between age of 17 to 19, and 19 age people are 63%, which shows that smartphones are most prevalent among the group. Due to the addiction of smartphones, they won't able to focus on their studies. They are always lazy to do their college and school works. 30.5% are agreed. The survey shows that they always depend on the smartphone to avoid boring classes, and 37.5% are agreed. Though they are strongly agreed with the statement, they can do without a smartphone. Strongly agreed, 42% are agreed, but they cannot imagine their lifestyle without smartphone. 35.5% are agreed, which shows that addiction of smartphones among teenagers. The main reason of this addiction is to education, stress, family situation. Also, 44% of teenagers strongly agreed with the statement they always seek mobile phone for pleasure. Though 28% of teenagers disagreed with the statement they won't use mobile phone during night hours, but they still agreed. 39% agreed and 16% are strongly agreed that they won't get time to physical activities due to smartphone addiction. They also agreed with the statement that smartphones are not necessary for below 17 years old. 35.5% are agreed, and also 50% of teen or metropolitan cities are strongly agreed with the statement that smartphones have severe impact on personality and behavioral changes among teens. From this survey, we conclude that the teens from the metropolitan cities, mostly between age of 17 to 19, are addicted to smartphones, also affect negatively on their education, health and behavioral changes.